Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm in Northwest Indiana, estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about what the coronavirus has done for folks regarding estate planning. But before I get started, let me remind you, if you ever have any questions regarding an Indiana estate matter, you can always set up an appointment with me at indianaestatemeeting.com, and we could meet by phone or video conference, whatever your pleasure is. So all this stuff that has been going on in the news and people having a lot of spare time about what is going on and hearing about, deaths of hundreds of people around the country and thousands of people around the world, it makes folks think a little bit about their mortality. So in the wake of this, I've received a number of phone calls from folks inquiring about whether they should go ahead and get an estate plan right now. And my response to them is going to be what I'm telling you now. Whether or not you need to get an estate plan, regardless of the coronavirus, is yes, just in case something happens. More importantly, not necessarily, death. Estate planning is so much more than death planning. Estate planning, the bigger part of it is life planning. For instance, say you or a loved one becomes sick with the virus and has to get some medical care, but you are a single adult, or they are a single adult, and they go into the hospital, and if you don't have any estate planning documents, like a power of attorney, or a healthcare representative, or a HIPAA compliant form, you may not be able to call in and find out what is happening with your loved one's treatment. If they're on a ventilator, you may not be able to assist the doctors or medical personnel with their either prior medical history, where they might get some information that might help the treatment, or in making treatment decisions for your loved one because you really do not have the legal authority to do so. So this could happen even outside of this coronavirus issue. Can happen in an automobile accident. It can happen in a skiing accident. It can happen in any type of situation where somebody could be temporarily, physically or mentally incapacitated, and somebody has to go up to bat for them and handle their medical issues, assist the healthcare providers, and potentially assist business for the person, doing their financial stuff that might need to be done, pay bills, make sure the house isn't foreclosed, things along those lines. So, the coronavirus brings this stuff to the forefront, but this stuff or these issues impact folks' daily lives. As a lawyer, the only time we hear from these folks is sometimes if something has spurred them on to do something in pre-planning, or if something has already happened and they want to try to get the ability to do something after the horse has already left the barn. If you have any questions about an Indiana estate planning matter, you can always reach out to me. I just hope that this is some food for thought. I hope you stay safe and are well, and we will all get through this in the next few months. Until the next time, I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.